So, finally, I'm able to help Papa na and save more. Sino ba naman ang hindi may iyak kung ma-receive mo yung ganitong message? As a financial planner, ito ang trabaho namin. I got this message from a client. So, sabi niya dito, "Hi everyone, I just want to share how thankful I am. I've received the 2 million and I'm literally in tears now." Finally, finally, I'm able to help Papa na and save more. So sabi niya, finally, I'm able to help Papa na and save more for his upcoming procedure. Thank you so much to FWD, Ma'am Shanely Abashal, Mary Ann Heredia. One call away lang talaga. Sir Tas, thank you for your help sa claim process. I was just a byproduct of watching your TikTok content, Shanely Abashal. I also took my time to carefully plan in investing in FWD. I genuinely hope that more millennials like myself start investing in FWD. This has truly been a life-changing opportunity, especially for those of us whose parents don't have property or assets to pass on. I'm beyond grateful that even though Papa is disabled, I can support him without depleting all of my savings. All the sacrifices I made just to pay the premiums have finally paid off. Getting the policy from FWD was definitely a leap of faith. While the 2M isn't fully enough to cover everything, it's already such a huge blessing. And I'm so thankful to God for it. This is a major hack po talaga. I truly hope and pray that you continue to educate and reach out to more people so others can also benefit from this. Thank you again from the bottom of my heart. And that's the beauty of our job as financial planners. We get to help more people be financially ready for their future. Akala kasi nung iba, benta-benta lang talaga yung trabaho namin. Look how noble this career is. Imagine yung may magme-message sa'yo ng ganyan and magpapasalamat sa'yo. That is priceless. Ngayon, if napanood mo ito and you are moved by this video, baka it's time for you to act now. Ensure yourself para sa'yo at para sa pamilya mo. Or you can join my team. Imagine the impact that you can make to many if you will be one of us. Be my client or join my team or both. Why not? Message me. Follow and share this video para mas marami pa tayong matulungang mga Filipinos na maging financially prepared for their future.